playing Press the Button, right, Zeta?
Yeah.
So we didn't spread this button? Okay, what do we get? Oh, not too much. That's not amazing. I got coins. What is gonna happen next? Oh, I know this. No, I don't like this. I don't like this.
And then you'll go in a jar.
Huh? I don't want to be a jar. I don't want to be a spider. What? I'm not a spider, right? Did you die, Zeta?
No,
I'm still alive. Me too. Me too, I'm jumping. No, I fell! My whole world. I hope the people hear you when you're talking.
Yes, I survived.
Me too.
No, you got in the...
Oh yeah, sorry. Uh-oh. Ah! Ow!
Aww.
That burns.
But that was too
Hard.
fast.
Yeah, and hard. Baldy! No, do not hit me, Baldy.
Come on, Ekkelson. Come on, Ekkelson.
Okay.
Come on. Come on, Ekkelson.
Oh my gosh,
Come on, Ekkelson.
So I'm back. Guys, so we're gonna put the soccer ball in the... No! The soccer ball's gonna go. Yes, it just didn't. Go in. Go in. Yes. I don't know which theory is. Yes! Good job, Visavist. That's your name, Visavist, because you spelled it over. That's a blue, Zeta!
Oh, bummer.
I'm the only one that survived.
So, I'm sorry guys if it's too short, this video, but I'm sorry, so bye!
Bye!
I'll see you next time.
Yeah, bye.